Hi everyone, we're here with Rolling Ryno. Ryno, we've had an episode on YouTube with him and his club. I just wanted to chat to you a little bit, Ryno. Just introduce your club and what you do for those who haven't watched that video.
Hi everybody, Rolling Ryno started about 2 years ago, and I've noticed there's a massive need for people to be educated in how to do things the right way. And I started this group so that we can take people short trips, long trips. We do training. It all depends on what the people's needs are, and show them how to enjoy life with a smile.
And I must say, as somebody who's driven out with Ryno on a regular basis, I really enjoy going out with Ryno and his group.
Yeah.
The driver briefings are always very professional. The logistics are always very well handled. So we have said that the Rolling Ryno Club is definitely just Jimny approved. So if you're a new driver and you're looking for a place where you can slot in and feel comfortable and feel safe, we highly recommend going the road with Ryno. Now Ryno, thank you very much today for helping our new drivers, guiding them this morning.
Only a pleasure.
We appreciate your support and the fact that you are here and you are spending some time with us.
Thanks for the invitation.
I know you're wearing...